Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following us for a while, you know we've covered all sorts of off-grid setups, bike campers, e-trikes, tiny homes, and ultralight RVs. But what I've got for you today is something entirely next level. It's part bicycle, part tricycle, part camper, and fully futuristic. This is the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper, and yes, you heard that right, a fully mobile, self-contained micro-camper built onto a three-wheeled platform. I've been testing it out over the past few weeks, and let me tell you, this thing is wild. It's like the Swiss Army knife of micromobility, and van life had a baby. Before we go too deep, let's just appreciate how far we've come. 5 years ago, something like this would have been a quirky Kickstarter prototype. In 2026, it's a legitimate vehicle category. With rising gas prices, growing interest in minimalist lifestyles, and a wave of new green tech investment, we're finally seeing micromobility meet micro-living. And honestly, this thing is turning heads everywhere I go. I've taken it down bike lanes, to national parks, urban camping spots, even grocery runs, and every single time, people stop, ask questions, take photos, and say, "Wait, you sleep in that?" So let me walk you through what the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper actually is. At its core, it's a three-wheeled electric assist trike with a built-in, lightweight camper shell mounted behind the cockpit. Think of a velomobile combined with a teardrop trailer, but scaled down for ultimate efficiency and portability. It's designed for one person, maybe two in a pinch, and features a sleeping area, solar-powered battery system, fold-out table, and even a compact water tank and sink module. It's basically the minimalist's dream camper that doesn't need a parking spot or a gas station. And it's street legal in most regions under the same rules that apply to e-bikes or Class 2 electric tricycles. The model I tested is called the Nomad 1 by Trivana Mobility, a newer startup that's been shaking things up in the micromobility world. The frame is an ultralight aluminum composite, with reinforced steel mounting points for the camper shell. It's got a 750-watt rear hub motor with torque sensor pedal assist and throttle mode, which gives you up to 28 miles per hour in unrestricted mode or 20 miles per hour if you want to stay within local e-bike laws. The battery is a 48V30Ah lithium-ion pack that delivers about 60 to 70 miles of range under ideal conditions. If you're riding heavy or using the throttle constantly, expect closer to 45 to 50 miles. Not bad considering you're pulling your home behind you. The real magic, though, is in the design of the camper itself. The living pod is about 7.5 feet long, just under 3 feet wide at the base, and about 4 feet tall. Yes, you're not standing up inside, but when you crawl in and lay down, there's surprisingly plenty of room to stretch out. The floor is insulated bamboo composite, and the mattress folds out from